MI-15002 L-shaped sit-stand desk. Installation. Step 1. Attach the short foot to one of the legs and tighten it until it's secure using the included bolts and hex wrench. Then, attach the long foot to the other leg. Attach the short side plate to the leg with the short foot. Then attach the long side plate to the leg with the long foot. Attach the short crossbars to the leg with the long foot. Then attach the long crossbars with the leg with the short foot. Step 2. Choose which side you want the desk corner panel to be on. Attach the connector to the left and right crossbar as shown. Attach the 12 rubber pads to the top of the frame. Step 3. Lay the desktop piece out in the proper configuration according to which side you want the desk corner panel on. Position the template on the desktop and use a pencil to mark all the locations for the screws through the template. Place the wood dowels into the holes on the edge of the desktop pieces and press the boards together over each end of the dowels. Use the tabletop connectors in the locations as shown and secure in place using the provided screws. Step 4. Turn the leg frames over and carefully place it upside down on the desktop. Align the holes on the frame with the holes on the tabletop and then attach the desk frame to the desktop. Step 5. Fold the cable holder and cloth drawer brackets. Do not fold and unfold. If needed, use the edge of a table or another solid edge to assist with folding them. Step 6. Attach the control panel, headphone hooks, and the cloth drawer brackets as shown. Ensure the drawer brackets are installed on the outer set of holes. Then, attach the cable holder. Step 7. Connect the power lines as shown. Then, attach the cable clips to the underside of the desktop as needed. Open the cable clip, insert the cord, and close the clip again. Step 8. Insert the cloth drawer into the brackets. Step 9. Flip the desk assembly over and connect the power adapter to a wall outlet. Press and hold the down button for 5 seconds and the screen will show RES. Continue holding until the desk goes down to its lowest level and then comes back up slightly. Short press the S button and the display will flash. Press the 1, 2, or 3 button to save the current height setting to that button. Press the 1, 2, or 3 button and the desk will move to the height that was previously set for that button. Change display height units. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between IN, imperial measurements, and SI, metric measurements, and press S to save your choice. Change collision detection sensitivity. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press the up or down arrows to switch to C, F, and press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between off, low, normal, and high sensitivity. Press S to save your choice.